Narrator you, thoughtful. Have you ever wished you could read someone's mind? Curious. Know exactly what they're thinking without them saying a single word? Pensive. Sounds like science fiction, right? Or maybe not. Hey everyone, I'm Amr Abdeen, and today we're diving into a fascinating question. Curious. Is it possible to read someone's thoughts without any words at all? Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our weekly mind-blowing episodes. Section 1. Fiction versus reality. Reflective. We've all seen superheroes in movies and books who can read minds, even control them. Questioning, but in the real world, is mind reading just a fantasy, or are scientists getting closer to making it real? Section 2. How the brain thinks. Informative. To answer that, we need to understand how the brain actually works. Explanatory. The human brain thinks by observing, analyzing, connecting ideas, and storing them using neural pathways. Thoughtful. Some of this happens consciously, we're aware of it, but a lot happens subconsciously, through our unconscious mind. Awe. This complex process happens in milliseconds, faster than we can even notice. Section 3. Can we read thoughts? Direct. Now here's the truth. Emphatic. No, we can't directly read other people's thoughts. Clear. But yes, we can often guess what they're thinking with surprising accuracy. Informative. This skill is called empathic accuracy. The ability to understand someone's thoughts or feelings using clues like listing, tone of voice, listing, facial expressions, listing, body language, listing, choice of words, thoughtful. With enough training and observation, we can become pretty good at guessing what someone is thinking, though it's never 100% accurate. Section 4. The science behind it. Informative. In a 2020 study from Queen's University in Canada, researchers found that the average person has around 6,200 thoughts per day. Scientific. Using MRI scans, they could detect when a person switches from one thought to another, a pattern they called thought worms. Questioning. But could they read the actual thoughts? Definitive. No. Explanatory. Even with the most advanced tech like machine learning and brain imaging, researchers can only predict what type of emotion a person might feel, not the exact thought. Section 5. Reading thoughts with psychology. So how do we get close to mind reading? We use tools from psychology, sensory awareness, being very tuned into another person's energy and movements, body language reading, micro-expressions, especially in the eyes, tone analysis, like detecting sadness, anger, or excitement, just by how something is said. But here's the thing, these are skills, not superpowers. They take training, observation, and quick thinking to combine all the cues and come up with a reasonable guess. Section 6. Why it matters. Why would you even want to read someone's thoughts? Because it helps you communicate better, understand how others feel, anticipate reactions, strengthen relationships. And that's powerful, especially in personal life, business, and leadership. Section 7. Final thoughts. So no, mind reading isn't real yet. But using science, psychology, and empathy, we can get really close to knowing what others are thinking. And before you go, think about this. If you could read people's minds all the time, would you even want to? Imagine knowing every negative thought someone ever had about you. Sometimes, not knowing might just be a gift. If you've ever had a late-night question that kept you up, drop it in the comments. Your idea might be the next video we make. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.